In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material by mixing two color ramp node while using a layer weight node. Here is a basic metallic material. I have increased the transmission, because that increases a contrast value of the metallic reflection. If I were to add a new color, I could just change the BSDF node's color value, or add a new color ramp node. I prefer the color ramp method, because I can customize the color better. Here is a basic mix node setup. The second node being mixed is an emission shader. We can barely see the orange color in the material, because they don't mix well. Please use EV with bloom turned on. The orange color is completely gone. Since the principled BSDF node already has an emission node, there's no need to use a mix node. Instead, we can just connect the color ramp nodes directly into the nodes we need to mix. But we still can't see the orange color. This is my final setup. By using the layer weight node, we can retain the orange color, while using an increased emission value. By using this method, we can keep the orange color even after increasing the emission value to over 10. Check this out. We have just created an orange material with a red glow. This is the most simple node setup that I created, in order to get a glow on a metallic material. This was the old method. That just won't work. Please remember to use a color that is closely related to the emission color. This node won't work if the primary color is something like green or blue. In that case, we would need to change the emission color to match the primary color. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.